Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. It's November, which means push, pull, and drag sale at Victory Ford. That means anything you got, an old junk car, truck, Mustang, coupe, motorcycle, boat, snowmobile, whatever you've got, as long as it's currently titled and registered, it's going to be worth $1,500 minimum trade-in value on any used vehicle over $4,000. So that's $1,500 minimum on any used vehicle, $4,000 and up. Now, I mean, you got something like this, why are you driving it? You got dented fender, flat tire, the mirror's broken, the engine's falling apart, we got an old whatever this is, same thing. These were both hauled in already. They're going to the junk man. So that each one of these would have been worth $1,500. One transaction only one car per. So why are you driving something like this when you can drive something like this? Something like this, as we said, you've got SUVs, we've got cars, we've got trucks. All of those would qualify as long as there's a $4,000 purchase price or more. So we've got SUVs, as I said, we've got trucks, we've got cars, we've got a great selection right now. But you better hurry, because during push, pull, and drag month, our stock usually goes way down because people wait all year for these sales, which only happen a couple times a year. So once again, it's Patrick, Victory Ford, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Better hurry in. We'll see you soon. Bye.